Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have some mockup file. Here is 4.73 GB and total file is 79, and here is 8 different designs are different mockup. Here is 3D mockup top shots, total file is 6. These files are Photoshop CC. And next is smartphone 2021 smartphone mockup. Here is 7 folder close-up smartphone mockup, and one file is preview and one is PSD. Next is folding smartphone, front view folding smartphone, so you can add your own photo like this. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, and your design screen, phone and shadow background. You see the background, and you change color, red, blurred color, or here is, I think this color is better. Okay, and we need image for this. Basically it is for ads. Double click, okay, and open any photo file like this or this. These files are high definition. Okay, Control S for saving 7583, and our design is ready. So import your own photo or design. So here is front stand view. You see here one by one. Here is 4 phone. You can import one by one photo. My system is PC now, so okay. And here is A4 size food menu on a wooden board mockup. You import your own design or detail. Okay, you see here pizza, your restaurant name, others, so you can write anything here. And here is amber gloss jar mockup. Okay, total file is 6. You can import and write anything like this. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, and here is highlight, background, so you can change background color, depend your own choice. Custom colors, replace artwork. You see, so I convert this. Open any photo, for example, drag there. I know this file is in low resolution, but don't worry. So press Ctrl Shift E, Ctrl S for saving, and click on FX, Gradients, Overlay, Untick, and here's Untick Bevel, or depend your own choice. You see our design in mockup or in gloss jar. Okay, depend your own choice. You can write anything or import your design. I'll tell you just for example. Same things here. Here is a box, branding box, full pouch. You import, or you can set any design here. Free iPhone case mockup, These are iPhone case, Photoshop action, case present, so you can make on Photoshop. Here is monitor and TV mockup. Wow, total 9 mockup here, and you see drag on Photoshop, drop shadow, background color, I think okay, design, drag there, yes, Control S for saving, 0%, 40, 60, okay. And you see our design in LED or LCD TV mockup. Okay, no, you see here different side view, monitor here, monitor mockup, matte monitor, and TV. And last is cosmetic branding. So you can import or you can design your own choice, write anything or your company name, your brand name. Here is sample. So I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.